Alright, this is my fruit fly trap, the most effective DIY trap that I have seen or created, or all of the above. What you see right here is a result of just me making it like an hour ago. I left a bowl of why the hell am I whispering? I left a bowl of lemons out on the table and forgot about them because my laptop was blocking the view. Like when I walked by, and when I discovered them when I was cleaning, it was just gross. So I ended up with a couple generations of fruit flies, and they are driving me crazy. They're like all over the house. I'm sitting at the computer, they're just buzzing in your face. You're in the bed, they're buzzing in your face. But anyway, this is the result of the fruit fly test. So I'm gonna make a video on how to make this. I just grabbed what was available and made one. But what's in there is some lime juice. Use that lime juice to make my rice and stuff. But there you go, the most effective. You make about 2 of these and put them on each level of your house. Give it about a week. You won't have no more fruit flies flying around. So don't mind the dirty counter. I'm in the process of cleaning. So okay, so this is how you make a fruit fly trap. I don't have my tripod down here, so I'm gonna have to set the phone down like an amateur. Apologies, but lime juice seems to work the best. I've tried like apple juice or all types of other stuff, but it doesn't seem to work as good as this. This is like crack form. All right, so you just take some Glad wrap, make it nice and tight. And put the phone down. I need to make it real tight and put the rubber band around it. Once you have the rubber band around it, you got the top of it nice and tight. You want to poke holes. You want to poke small as holes as possible, because these little turds, we will figure out a way to squeeze in there. See, like there's one right there, little fucker. But you want to do like one, two. Let's see, I'll do three. All right, then I'm gonna pull this and make it tighter again. But that's pretty much the gist of it. Wait about a day. The little dudes will go through the holes, but they can't find their way back out. Every once in a while, I'll take it and they'll be on the sides crawling around, and I'll just move it around like that and drown them. Or if it's some that are lingering on the top and can't figure out how to get in, I just come by with the vacuum and suck them up, get them over. So that's pretty much it. Try it out. You'll see it works pretty good. Like and subscribe.